first time people, you see, I can tell you now. When me I grow up, my father never want to see nobody at the yard. Hmm? Nobody him no want to see our yard. My father say everybody fi stay at their own yard. My father say you have some people then come at your yard and hides out every God Almighty thing. Hmm? Then come and then hide upon your dresser, then drive the hall boat over the place. Hmm. Then they hide a out a door in a whole kitchen hall boat. And when them reach a them yard, me dear man, then send come. If you have any hair oil, you can't tell them no because they did see it already. Hmm. If you did have any shampoo and them a send come tell you the shampoo, if you have any Pearline shampoo, the egg one, and all these things, them I tell you, because they come and spat out everything like spatalina where you have. So when they go back at their yard, they send them picnic or they come themselves. You can't tell them say Allah you know got none because they already spat out everything. Eh? That's why my pa say make everybody stay at their yard when me a little picnic. Me say one at a time, one man come a yard, man's altar, come a yard. That little picnic, you know, now I forgot because me was the biggest one, so everything me happy in that. And man's altar come and tell my father say, him a borrow the ground fork. Because them the time that my father do farming, so my father have more than one ground fork. Up till today, day, me a big woman, me no think say, my father get back the ground fork. Because Ma's Arthur no bring back the fork. And me a little picnic, you know, and me nah said nothing at all. Me just a watch and a see. And every time, me would always run, go look in at the whole kitchen if the fork come back. And me I say maybe me gone to school and Ma's Arthur bring back the fork. But me no want to ask my father if Ma's Arthur bring back the fork. Because me no want my father go beat me and say me I get in a big people business. But me say sometimes, as me come from school and throw down me bag, me run go in a kitchen, go look if me see the fork. Not a fork. Because the fork did have one red panny. So me know it different from the other fork them. I started to bring back the fork. So them first time people there, then thief, them would have see you with something and come at your yard, come say them a borrow it. And lo and behold, it now come back. Sometimes when you go to the yard, you see it. Nowadays, you have all your nice cover up dish. You give them little food in a heat. You have your cake pan, you give them anything. It now come back. Consider it gone forever. Not coming back. Worse if it look good and tan good. Hey. It not coming back. And so them your people operate. So anything you have and you want to use it, don't let it out. I tell you, some of them, me no know if a bad mind they have, then they deliberately mash you up. Yes. Sometimes when you look all in your kitchen, you have one whole heap of knife and fork in your kitchen. You don't even know where gone, who take them away. Because this a one come and he heat and he borrow and something. Go for know say everything gone out of your kitchen. If you don't have one, two tie up and push on a subway, You eat with your hand because what? Everybody come take and gone and not carrying back. And so them your people operate nowadays. Yes, everything you have, you have to have hype on it. Yes. hmm So, Mass Arthur, up till today, day, I don't know what happened to that affair there. They can never bring it back. Let me tell you.